Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to take a picture with your phone and then insert it right away to your document on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the home button, then to the docs section, select the document and click on the plus icon that will appear in the left side corner of the screen down below. Once the page is loaded, tap on the plus icon, then click on camera roll, tap on the camera button, enable the application to have access to your camera, so click on OK and then take a picture with your phone. If you are satisfied with the result, click on use photo, but you can also retake it. Then it will appear in the images section, so if you go back you will be able to insert it. You can edit it by applying filters to it. You can set the intensity. You can make adjustments such as adjusting the brightness, contrast, saturation, the tint, blurriness, X-process, vignette, warmth, clarity, vibrance, and the highlights by the help of these slides. If you click on the more button, you can also copy it, then paste something and delete it too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.